Are you serious? I can't grow the hair on my head, but I'm plucking this crazy little hair every other week.
You beautiful old bag. Thank you for joining me today. I'm Michelle. The foxy eye look is going around, and I thought that would be something really fun to try. What I've gone with is Zabrina, and I'm going to link her for you just below so that you can go check out her channel. I don't know how old she is, but she has the most beautiful porcelain skin, dreamy skin. Her eye look says fox eye makeup tutorial on droopy eyes, and no one has more droopy eyes than me. Don't have high hopes for me. I would also love to see you give this a try. If you're gonna make fun of me, then you've got to try it yourself.
First, I'm going to apply an eyeshadow primer. I'm using the one from Milani.
I'm a little behind. I had to put my headband on so that I wouldn't be distracted by my hair. It took me like 3 hours.
I am going to take my Wet n Wild Brulee eyeshadow. You want to use a shade here that matches your skin tone. And I'm applying that right onto the brow bone. It helps it to glide on much easier. It creates a nice base. The palette I'm going to is from Alter Ego Cosmetics. This is the Temptress palette.
I'm going to use this Profusion palette. It's the Ultra Cool. I don't even know if you can still get this. I haven't bought makeup in a really long time. Feel free to send me all the makeups. I think this will work just fine.
I'm mainly going to be using the black here, the dark brown, this lighter shade right here, and this lighter brown. I'm going to take the shade called Uptown. I'm going to apply this into the crease.
It looks like a very light brown, so I think I'm going to go with this one in the crease.
I'm going to apply this into the crease. If you have hooded eyes, you want to bring this eyeshadow up a little bit higher. So make sure your eye is open as you're applying the eyeshadow. And if
I don't know why her color looks so much darker than mine. Hers looks almost purple. Mine just looks beigey. I'm gonna go with slightly darker. Let's try this one. Let's try it, see if that helps. This is gonna be the hard part.
So I'm taking the shade called Lace from this palette.
Wait.
So I'm taking the shade called...
I feel like maybe I've gone up too high. She needs to slow down.
So I'm taking the shade called Lace from this palette. I'll apply that directly onto the lid, only the inner half of the lid.
I guess for this we'll use this color. The inner half of the lid, all right. Oh, I didn't go far enough.
And then what I'm going to do is take...
Wow. Part of the problem is this horrible eyeball that I have. Okay, that's already pretty good.
That same shade that I was using in the crease before, and I'll use that to apply to the outer half of the lid.
I'm gonna need a smaller brush for that.
And blend it back into that shade on the inner half of the lid. Did I say that right? You can see it. Shadow because it's easier to cook.
I feel like she's assuming we are all good with makeup because she was so fast. I have no idea if I did that right or not. Let's rewind.
The lid. And blend it back into that shade on the inner half of the lid. Any medium that you want for the eyeliner. I like to go with eyeshadow because it's easier to correct if you make a mistake. I'll start with the shade called Stiletto in this palette, which is a pure matte black. And by the way, this line of winged liner to help lift and elongate the eyes. So what I typically do is place the brush like so. To create the line for me. And then I'll go ahead and continue to fill in the remainder of the lash line with that black eyeshadow. You do what works for you, boo-boo, okay? And don't let anybody make you feel badly.
I like to pat mine because I have no eyeliner skills. I just pat it on there. And she said we can do us, boo-boo, so that works. This is looking good. This is really good. It's gifted.
Because we were all different, and if all of us applied our makeup the same, well, what fun would that be? And you can see my wing is really thick. I mean, it is.
If we all applied our makeup the same way, we'd all have 1 million subscribers. Don't forget to subscribe. Because for everyone who subscribes, I get better at doing makeup.
But right now I'm going to work on building this line up a little bit more.
I feel like my line is perfect. Can't we all agree on that? Let's move on.
You do want to keep this line very thin on the inner part of the eye and thicken it more on the outer part of the eye, because that is what helps to lift the eyes and give you that eye lift without surgery.
Why doesn't it look like hers? Some Botox or something and it'd be perfect. Where's my Botox?
Starting at the outer corner here, take that brown eyeshadow and begin to smudge out the edges of the black. And this helps to soften it and create a very cat eye type look. And then when you feel like you've got a really good smoky line going there, like I do there, what I like to do, the makeup remover wipe. I'm using these from Neutrogena. You can also I will wrap my finger in it like this, and I'll use that to go over the edge. Sharpen it into oblivion.
Hers is still way better. My 3 subscribers are watching. I've got to perfect it. Oh, look, she's got it further. There's no way that's right, but it's looking pretty good. I guess the line needs to be thicker. This line. This still needs to be thin at the top. Ah.
You do need to add lashes. I feel like a look like this, lashes are a must because they really help to emphasize the lifted look.
I don't actually need both eyes done. There's no way I'm gonna get these to match, but like she said, I'm gonna be back in a minute. It's gonna actually be more like 2 hours, but I'll be back. It's like I don't know what I'm doing. That'll be why.
Of what to look for in a lash. So I'll go ahead and apply this lash quickly here so I can show that.
Quickly. Somebody told me how to do it quickly.
The next tip I have to share with you is apply a mascara to the outer corners of your false eyelashes to give the eyes much more lift. Now, I would never have recommended this many years ago, and I didn't for the longest time until Ardell came out with this false eyelash cleaning spray solution. You can get this at Sally Beauty stores, by the way. This takes everything off of your...
We're still on getting the eyelashes on. Oh, yeah.
Man, that is not comfortable.
But I did get it on. That's something. I thought I had it, but then in fact I did not. I feel like maybe it's not enough glue situation. More glue on it. Definitely not user error. Wow. Don't understand why I can only get one eye.
I'm using the Rimmel Scandalize Volume on Demand mascara.
Wander Mile High. This is actually a really good mascara. It's way better than these eyelashes.
And applying a little bit of that to the outer corners. Brandon. So this was my rendition of it.
think something went wrong. Be kind and rewind. Wouldn't it be hilarious if I came back and this eye was perfect? Like I have a makeup artist over here in the corner and she does my eye. Man, that's good.